money coming in, money coming in, yeah.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Beast up on the beat, somebody better call the poachers. All up on the posters for doing what we supposed to. Do it for the camera, but I've never been a poser. You ain't getting money, better wake up, smell the Folgers. I'm all about my bread, so best believe I keep that toaster. But me, I'm more Thomas Sawyer. Kill a nigga in a second, take a minute, call my lawyer. Ha, niggas switching like a rubrics. Puss ass niggas, so pubic. No, I don't follow no rubric. Yeah, nah, I do it. And money, well, I just might throw it. And honey, well, she just might blow it. Funky fresh, just to impress, ready to party. Pay for the room, but we fucking in the lobby. I'm not the one to copy, you ain't got enough ink. Fat boy, aka I'm about my green and pink. Nah, nigga, don't blink and watch it with that fucking drink. This shit right here is a mink.
Niggas be hating, they don't like that a nigga finna win. I got that money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, yeah.
So ask yourself a question, is he really the ish? Of course I am, bitch, how else you explain this shit? Every verse just like a purse, they wanna snatch him. Fat boy fashion, make the cameras wanna catch him. But they just missed him, numbers unlist him. Oh, now you acting different, now you bitches miss him. Now you wanna kiss him, now you don't give a fuck, through skinny jeans don't fit him. Hit him on his Twitter like T, I can't forget ya. Hating on a nigga, now they asking for a picture. Now, is it me or could it really be the liquor? Got rappers gaining weight since I hopped up in the mixture. So when I say this shit, don't take this shit here to offend you. Got a little limelight, but what's the light without the fixture? Everybody out, run their mouth on what they finna. Or most these motherfuckers, you ain't even finna remember. The boy make it rain, but no, you can't predict them. Big fit bull status, so they wanna mic victim. Now they gotta bow, can't get me out their system. Rappers no competition, just a bunch of fucking victims.
Niggas be hating, they don't like that a nigga finna win. I got that money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, yeah.
What up, Ben? What up, Jackson? Every time you round, good things happen. Doors get opened, bottles get popped, whores get opened, panties get dropped, whips get copped, roofs get chopped, stages get rocked, charts get topped. Every day is like more money, more problems. So what I do? Get more money, had to solve them. Yeah, I got that money coming in, money at the door, somebody let her in. She ain't by herself, oh fuck it, bring your friends. Can't begin to tell you how much time we can spend. So consider this a toast, cause when it comes to the bread, I get it by the loaf. Dough on the rise, you would think it on the stove. Familiar with them presidents, you would think I vote. Put me out the boat, bet I stay afloat. Put me out in the cold, I don't need a coat. No license, no Geico. Come to court in my pajamas just like Michael. On probation, in front the news station. So fat boy, do you have a statement? Yeah, bitch, I got a statement. Get money, motherfucker, stop hating.
Niggas be hating, they don't like that a nigga finna win. I got that money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, yeah. Niggas be hating, they don't like that a nigga finna win. I got that money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, yeah. Niggas be hating, they don't like that a nigga finna win. I got that money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, money coming in, yeah.